There we go. Okay, alright. Okay, I'm screen recording. What in the world? Okay. Back to the cube. So let's see how all the corners, all the white corners match with their side colors.
No.
Exactly. Let's fix that. So that corner you're gonna move out of that slot. So turn the side that's facing me. Yeah, like that. And then turn the bottom layer. Other way. Right. And then put the whites back on top. Yep. Okay. Now we're gonna take that corner, move it twice.
Which way should I face it?
Any.
This
Wait,
way?
no, sorry. Bottom layer. Turn it twice. All right. Now let's turn the cube 180 degrees towards me.
But I just like, if it's like matching. No, wait, that one more.
Okay. Turn it one more time that way. Yeah. Okay. Turn the your left side of the cube towards me once. I'm taking a break to help Caden with something. Turn the bottom layer once towards me. Now turn that layer back up. Now that corner's matching.
And then should I just like do this and solve it?
Yep. Oh wow, hang on.
First time ever solving a Rubik's Cube.
Let's see the middle layer real quick of the cube. Turn it one more time. Alright, and then just spin it so I can see. Let me see the top real quick. Oh, the top. Sorry, bottom. Okay, that's red and blue. Okay, so see the red and blue edge right on top there? Edge. That's the corner. Yes, that one. Okay, turn it to where the blue is, well, with the blue. Sorry, turn the layer that's facing me to where that blue edge is with the blue. So twice, I guess. Turn it back once.
But it's facing the blue.
It's not though.
Oh.
See, there you go. Now it's facing the blue. Okay. Hold.
Oh!
Shoot, I really need my cube.
We could do this.
For a sec so I can go get my cube.
We're idiots. No. Responding to Snapchat. Responding
They're
to
all in my
Snapchat.
backpack. I completely forgot.
Nah, talking to the moon, trying to get to you.
6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me scramble my cube real quick. Let me see your cube for a hot sec.
Which side?
Yellow face.
Yellow face. This one.
Yep. Okay. Give me a sec.
You look like you might know what you're doing.
Might.
Just a slight possibility.
Only maybe. Okay, what edges, so blue and red is not matching. Is orange and blue, is that edge in? Between,
what?
Like, is this edge in between orange and blue?
Is this edge in?
Orange and blue, see. White on bottom. Orange and
White on
green is, and orange and blue is. Okay, good. That's all I need to know.
We're good.
We're good.
Golden. Just like the gun I used to kill the children with.
There you go. Okay.
In Fortnite, not
In
real
Fortnite,
life. I
of
didn't
course,
use a
of
golden
course.
gun. Those are too expensive.
So, you've got, show me the blue face.
Mm.
Turn it 180. No, I meant like keep the blue face facing me and then turn the cube like this. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now face the blue face towards you. Okay, so top layer to the right. That's your right, right? Okay, your right layer to the turn it away from you, so clockwise. Okay, then turn the top layer counterclockwise. Okay, and then the right side counterclockwise. Side counterclockwise. There you go. Okay, now top
Wait, no, that's
layer.
clockwise.
Huh?
That's clockwise.
Okay, then turn it counterclockwise. Okay, now turn the top layer counterclockwise.
I think I messed up.
No, you're still on the right track.
Okay.
Top layer counterclock. Yep, just like that. And then the layer facing you, turn that counterclockwise. Yes. That is clockwise, looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, there you go. Now turn the top layer clockwise. Yep. And then the layer
Should
that's
look like
facing
this,
you.
right?
Yes, perfect. Now the layer that's facing you clockwise.
Kelly's awake. Turn
Is,
it clockwise?
the layer that's facing you.
Okay.
Now let's see the cube, just spin it like this. We should have just inserted red and blue, which we did not. Where's red and blue at?
Red?
Red and blue, I see. Okay, so find the red and blue edge that's right on top of your cube. So
Yeah.
this edge. Yeah. Match the red up with the red. Or, sorry, the blue up with the blue, I guess.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, let me do this real quick.
I'm a casual cuber.
Okay, let's try this again. So, take it and make sure the yellow on top, blue facing you. Yep, just like that. Okay, now let's do this again. Top layer clockwise.
I have an actual, like, Rubik's brand.
Yeah.
They should sponsor this YouTube video.
right side clockwise. Yeah, you got it.
Try to remember which way a clock goes.
Yeah. Top counterclockwise.
Wait, that messes up the whites.
Huh? I know, but we'll fix it.
Whites are perfect.
We'll fix it. So top
In a
counterclockwise.
non-racial connotation.
top counterclockwise. Shoot. Yep. And then right side counterclockwise.
This video is gonna get demonetized.
No. Now top counterclockwise again. The face that's facing you counterclockwise. Yep. And then top clockwise. And then the face that's facing you clockwise.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Arr. Arr.
Okay, so now we should have one edge left.
One edge. We have the green edge.
Right. So you're gonna find that edge. It should be
I
red.
found the edge. Oh wait.
Yep.
No, wait. I found the
Yeah.
edge.
No, you found. It was the other one that you had.
Wait, what?
Red and green.
Oh, okay.
And you've already got the reds lined up, right?
I got these reds lined up.
Yes, perfect. Okay, face red towards you. So
Yeah.
we're gonna do it again. Top clockwise. Right side clockwise. Top counterclockwise. Yeah. Right side counterclockwise. Top counterclockwise. Face it's facing you counterclockwise. Yeah. Top clockwise. And then your face clockwise. Yep.
Yeah.
See, now that entire portion right there is solved. So now we're
Yeah,
gonna
now
do the last layer.
What if we just like take this part off and solve
And then
cube?
it's solved, yeah. Okay, show me the top layer. Okay, so you're gonna turn it where it's on the top. Yeah, right there. And then, okay, so do F. Or sorry, your face is facing you. Well, they're all the moves are all. I didn't want to get into that, but all the moves are called like you've got the face is facing you is F, then the top face is U, right face is R, and same for like back, bottom, and left. Anyways, so do front clockwise. Your front, not mine. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. F, U, so do the top layer clockwise. Right side clockwise. Yep. And then top layer counterclockwise. Right side counterclockwise. And then front side counterclockwise. Right? So now, is the white side still perfect?
White side is perfect, just like white boys have been.
Okay.
Way to go, white people.
Now, okay, you've got it in the perfect position. Now do that again. So front face clockwise. Right face clockwise. Or sorry, not right face. Put that back. So top face clockwise. Wait. Yeah, clockwise.
That was the wrong way.
There you go. And then right side clockwise. Okay. And then top layer counter. Right side counter. Your face counter. Now let's see. Oh, yes, this is perfect. It's perfect. Okay, okay. So you've got,
I just like twist a corner.
So hold the cube to where the, you see how you've got sort of a star, but then, yeah, just like that, just like that. No, you had it. Yellow face up. Okay, now turn the cube to the right once. Yep, just like that. Okay. So, turn the top layer twice. Yep. You two are. So that would be right face clockwise. You top face twice again.
This has taught me that I don't know how clocks work.
I messed my cube up, hang on.
It looked like an egg. Call me. They never just said that Humpty Dumpty was an egg. Oh, now I'm popped. Feel good. I have a picture. Dosa. Me. Oh. No. If I breathe in on the pitch pipe, everything plays. Sounds like something out of a horror movie.
Yeah, for real. Okay. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see the yellow face. Oh shoot, we messed it up. Turn the Bull crap. Turn. Put yellow face on top real quick. Okay, turn it, turn the top layer twice, I guess. Right, and then put the right side clockwise. Sorry, right side clockwise. Counterclockwise, sorry. Okay, perfect. So now we're holding it back in that position with left, yeah, perfect. So U2, so the top layer twice. Right layer clockwise. Top layer twice again. Right side counterclockwise. Top layer counterclockwise.
Do you have some patterns memorized?
I do. Right side, but it's muscle memory, so I had to like write it down. Muscle memory, I mean, sorry, bull. Right side clockwise. Right? And then top counter. Yep. Wrong one. There you go. And then right side counter. Or yeah. See, perfect. You gotta skip. There's a whole nother step after that you're supposed to do, but it skipped it. You're so lucky. Good job.
I did it, Alton. I solved a Rubik's Cube.
You did it.
And you solved a Rubik's Cube over text. And I just realized this entire video on YouTube is gonna have Callie sleeping.
No, it's okay. I've got it like cropped onto you.
You don't have it cropped onto me or you?
You.
So does it have both of us?
I mean, they can hear me, but they can't see me.
Oh, so it's just me being sexy.
Do you want to do an outro?
What's going on, guys? Yeah, let me think of an outro. Put like the stereotypical outro music, like the da. Sorry, let me. Da da. I.
Hang
Da,
on,
da, da,
I'll
da.
find it. I'll find it.
Da 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 da. And it's like in the lower part goes da 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 da.
And then it drives around falling.
Actually,
Oh
that's how
yeah,
music-
I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about.
Are we ready, gamers?
Show me.
3, 2, 1.
All right,
Nice.
guys. This is all for us. I solved a Rubik's Cube for the first time. Alton's a nerd. Callie's asleep. Bye. And then just outro.